so high in the air.
Iba masaunas dinosaur. Ano yun?
Nest in only grasses and dives and scrapes below the water. When it's a bird search the sky, signifies freedom and
May dinosaur. Nalagay sa sa dinosaur. Ano pa?
but flying is not the only skill they know. So join us today at Tips of how truly amazing and intelligent these birds are.
Tubig. So, wala nila tubig. Nalagay. Tubig.
Alright, here we go. So let's start our show by welcoming our flag music bird, Daniel. So Daniel Rader is known as the red and green macaw or the green winged macaw. Macaws are large birds in the forest and woodlands of northern and central South America. And the red bird of show is officially started by our first flag music bird, Daniel. So hello everyone! And may welcome sa tanan. Welcome to Cebu Ocean Park Amphitheater. I am Mark and I'll be your host for today's show. The next featured bird is just like any best friends. And best friends can be compared to the right. So let's call it Azul and Blue.
Ha?
Today we will compete our basketball game. This is blue and this is azul. So before we start our game, I would like to divide you into two groups. All the boys will cheer for blue and say, "Go blue! Go blue!" Now, and all the girls will cheer for azul and say, "Go azul! Go azul!" Now guys, are you ready for the basketball game? Again, are you ready for the basketball game? Now, birds ready. Two raiders ready. Set. Go! Let's go, birds. Okay, first one for blue. Second one for blue. First one for Adam. Blue is this game. It's alright, there's also clear answer. Use this game. What did he say?
Hold it, trainer Mary. We want another race.
Sure about that from the Zulzulus again.
Oh my. Now this time I'm pretty sure Azul and I will win.
That's so confident. So what game do you have in mind?
So I suggest a ring race on the mechanics of this game. The first bird